Hello guys, good day to you wherever you're watching from. Welcome to another video on Ghost 3D Ghost Trader, YouTube channel. Thank you very much. So basically, guys, today I want to take you into the business of today, into my trade of today, my analysis for today. Today is 25th of March, Wednesday, 25th of March, 2026. We already spoke about how this is the daily time frame. You can start here. We already spoke about how markets took sell side liquidity over here and how we may be bullish. As I said, we may be bullish, you feel me? At the moment, it's looking like might not be bullish, but you know, we don't want to be too forward as usual. We want to always take our time to let the market play out, and we always want to be in the direction of the market, if you feel me. We don't want to be ahead of the market. Naturally, I'll say that we are bullish, but I need more confirmation. I need to see the market trade above this area. You feel me? I need the market to extend its leg above this area and not come down below this area. In fact, I don't want to see the market trade down below this yellow line. You feel me? If we are truly bullish, because but what I'm seeing now, I'm saying is as if it looks like a what's it called now? It looks like um a little a minor retracement to the upside. It's not looking like a bullish move. Why did I say that? Because if you take a look at this fair value gap that we have here, the market might be treating that as an inversion fair value gap. Let me remove this for example. The market might be treating this as an inversion fair value gap. As you can see, there's a fair value gap here and it is coming back up here. It has entered that level. No candlestick has closed above this. We have one, two, three candlesticks, 3 different days entering into this level, and we have not managed to close above or into this range. So the way I'm looking at it now, it seems like we might still be bearish, but at the moment, I don't want to be too forward. I don't want to have I'm not sure. Let me just put it that way. I'm not sure. You feel me? So if we are bullish, I want to see markets trade up into this place, close here, and I don't want to see it trade below this yellow line. It can still come down here, do a little bit of damage to people that are buying the top. You feel me? And given that we might even be bearish, you feel me? Because this might be a retracement to the upside, it might just aggressively come down and then start trading below this yellow line. And if it starts trading below this yellow line, where will be the next target? Here and here. And then I think that should be all here. And then let's just say here, this should be our final target, to be honest. That if we are bearish. But if we are bullish, I want to see price run up, run up, and run up. But we don't want to be too forward. So let me dip down into lower time frame and show you my trade for today. So over here we have the 5 minute time frame. I told you, as you all know, I only trade New York AM session, and at the morning time we ran above this relative equal highs, taking out buy side liquidity, and not just here, we have more liquidity taken out here as well. So we see this here taken out. The moment I saw this, sorry, yeah. So the moment I saw this here, I knew it was time to go short. You feel me? So my entry was around here. My entry was around here. Sorry, my entry was around here. Placed my stop loss just above this. This was quite wide. So, but the moment I saw that the market was going in my direction, I reduced my stop loss to to just to play safe to halfway of that candlestick because I knew that if we are short, market shouldn't really come back here in the nearest time. You feel me? We should go really slow. So my partial take profit was just below this range. Sorry, I apologize for this color. I don't know if this is the best color. Like, yeah. So my partial take profit was here. In fact, let me just say I closed all my positions here because I was scared of this retracement. Given looking at this daily time frame, knowing that we don't know what the market wants to do, if it wants to actually start trading higher, and I was going short, so I have to be careful. You feel me? When you are trading against the move of the market, you feel me? You have to be careful. You don't want to be in that move for too long because it can go against you and start trading in the opposite direction anytime, and it can happen really fast. You feel me? So I was hoping, okay, initially when I started my analysis, especially when I got in around here and I saw it trading downwards, I was like, okay, partial take profit to be just around this range, and then I should wait for my full take profit to come and take out this relative equal lows here. So the moment I saw so this one hit my TP. I had a few positions left, and then when I saw these candlesticks close just around this level, I was like, are we about to trade bullish? Because knowing looking at this place, I don't know, I don't have a precise direction yet. I'm only just trying to make my box for the day. You feel me? So this is the thing. You can always make your box. You feel me? Like in any move, if you know what you're doing, you can. The market can be bullish, and you can sell in that bullish market and still make your money. But like majority of the time, you actually want to make sure that you are moving in the direction of the market. You feel me? Yeah. If the market is bullish, you want to be looking for buying opportunities, and if the market is bearish, you want to be looking for selling opportunities. So I was quite happy to catch this sale, and I didn't swallow any minus at all, no drawdown, hit my TP real fast, stress-free trade. But I had just one more position running that I wish I had hit this place, but I closed. You know, the market came back up towards this area. So as soon as the market started doing all this nonsense, I waited around here. When I saw that I was closing around this range, I was like, this might just come back up and take out my stop loss. But my stop loss was not here anymore. I already break even, of course. But you feel me? You want to make more money than just being stopped out at a small dollar. You feel me? So like I closed my last position here, and then I watched the market trade back up into this inefficiency over here, and then it aggressively pulled back down. Still didn't hit my initial or my final take profit where I said it to hit, but it stopped just somewhere around this value gap. I don't really know what's here. Maybe I'll go back to check what's here, you feel me? Because everything in this market happens for a reason. Nothing is coincidental. So after that, came back up once more, traded again into this what's it called now, this inefficiency over here. Make sure it covers it of just here. You feel me? And then look at how it closes here, and then we're still trading down. So I think by tomorrow, to be honest, I won't lie to you. I think this is actually printing to come down into this area. So yeah, that's my analysis and my execution for today, and a couple of dollars made, and yeah, that's it. So I hope this blessed you, and I hope you found this insightful. Till I talk to you next time. God bless you.